Let's make some Grinchy Gnome card diffusers. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I have a TP roll. You could use paper towel, and I just mark out 1-inch increments and cut them with my scissors. Then you're going to kind of they're going to squish down a little bit, just put them back to shape into a circle. Perfect. Then I have this yarn from Joann Fabrics, and I cut 10-inch strips, about 30 of them. You're going to have to do more if you're using a smaller gauged yarn. Okay. So this is approximate. Then you're going to fold it in half, take that loop, put it in your TP roll, put the ends through the loop, and then tighten it up. Now I squish mine all together so that they're really close and you can't see the toilet paper roll underneath. And you're going to do that all the way around. Tighten them up. Perfect. Then we're going to put all of those ends, we're going to flip it so that those are now on the other side. So I just kind of use my finger and shoved them in. If you're using a thinner yarn, then this is going to be a little bit easier, but the yarn I'm using is pretty thick, so it takes a little bit more effort. And then you just kind of pull them out, straighten them, make sure that all is right with the world. And then I take another strip of yarn and just tie it about 1 inch from the top, and I double knot it. Make sure it's nice and tight. Don't tie it so tight that you're going to break your yarn, and then I trim so that it looks like a little pom-pom on the top. Look at how cute. All right, so listen, this could be, you don't even have to go further. Like, stop, right? Super cute. Then I take a 1-inch bead. No, it's a 1/2-inch bead. And I put some yarn in it, tie the knot at the top, and then I move the knot so that it is closer to the opening of the wood bead. And then I'm using one of those latch hook kit, I don't know, it's like a tool. But you could totally, if my child didn't steal all of my needles, I would have used a needle. But see how we're just making a hanger, and I just push that wood bead all the way up. Now you could stop just right there, right? That would be a cool diffuser. Just put the essential oils on it. Awesome. Could be I don't know, an ornament, whatever. But I didn't stop there because I can't. I made some pom-poms the other day, and look at this. This pom-pom is like an olive color, and I did the same thing. I just added in the pom-pom. And then at the end, I put some glue on the inside of the little hat and shoved that pom-pom really in there, like I'm really squishing it, just to make sure that it's really in there. I take a 1/4-inch bead and put some glue on that and put that on, and stop it. Quit it right now. Look at how cute he is. I can't. Look at how cute. Oh, I love it. And then I added a little clip. I got these from Joann Fabrics, but they have these kind of clips. They're just different colors at Dollar Tree. So you could totally use those. But see how I'm just looping it around the clip so that it now can go in one of the vents in your car. Stop it. Or you can clip it anywhere, really, but stop. Look at how cute this is. And you can do the same thing with the clip if you just use the hat. I'm just saying. And then you just a little dot of essential oils here and there, and it makes everything smell nice, and it's cute as a button. You don't have to do the essential oil thing, though. You could make this into like a garland. Oh, wouldn't that be cool? All right, friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.